Hello and welcome to this tutorial for the card game Abstract Academy. This game is either for 2 players or 4 players, and you'll be making a painting together, but you're not working together. I'll explain it for a 2-player game. Here's how it goes. You are going to play 3 rounds and then the game is over. Whoever has the most points wins the game. The points are written on these objective cards. You can claim these during the game. Count up all the points. If you have the most, you are the winner. And again, you play 3 rounds and then the game ends. A round is making 1 painting. Each round is 3 steps. Step 1. Every player takes 1 of these personal objective cards. The starting player puts out the public objective cards. Step 2. Together you keep placing cards on the table to make a painting. As soon as you've made a 4x4 grid, the painting is done. Step 3. You can claim 1 of your personal objective cards if you've made what it's asking for. And you go through the public objective cards to see which player can claim it. That's it. Set out objectives, make the painting, and then see who gets the points. Let me go through that again in a bit more detail. Step 1. At the start of each round, every player takes 1 of these inspiration cards. These are private objectives. If you want, you can try to create what the card is asking for. Just keep the card face down with you or in your hand. After that, the first player, whoever has this teacher's pet card, places the public objectives open on the table. The rulebook or this handy information card will tell you exactly which card to put out in each round. Just flip over the top card and place the objectives open on the table. Each round will always have 2 or 3 open objectives. Here's an example of an objective. Step 2. Now you'll start making the painting. Make sure you always have 3 of these canvas cards in your hand. Starting with the first player, each person gets 1 turn. When it's your turn, you place a card and you take a new card from the deck. That's it. Place a card and take a card. The only rule is that you have to place a card next to another card. You can't place it anywhere. Like I've said, the painting has to be 4x4, so at the start it's not sure which part is the middle and which is the side. That's up to you and the other player. But as soon as you have made a row of 4 cards, that is set. You can't put a 5th card next to it. And as soon as it's clear what's the bottom row for 1 player, the other player is not allowed to place a card there unless there's no other option. For example, if the painting is like this, then this is my bottom row. The other player can't put cards here, only I can do that. Anyway, at some point the painting will be finished. Then this part of the round is over. Now comes the scoring. Step 3. Time to claim the objectives. The half of the painting that is on your side is the cards that you can score points with. So this half is toward me. I use this section of the painting to score points with. First, I can see if I managed to reach 1 of my own personal objectives. You can only claim 1 per round. If you got what the card is asking for, you can place it face down with the other cards that you've scored. And when that's done, you look at the open objective cards on the table. Go through them from left to right. The player who has what the card is asking for can take it and keep it face down on the side. When all the 2 or 3 objective cards have been claimed, you can put away the painting and start a next round. In case it's a tie for whoever gets to take an objective, then whoever has this first player card wins, but you have to then give this card to the player that lost the tie. Anyway, that's already it. This is how you play Abstract Academy. With 2 players, that is. If you play it with 4 people, just check the rulebook for some small adjustments. But unlike some other games that are really for 2 players only, this is very suitable for a different number. I hope you feel like you understand how to play it and that it sounds interesting enough to give it a try. Thank you for watching, feel free to leave a comment, and see you for the next one.